Hi, welcome to Rusty TV. Today, I'll be sharing another wonderful platform you can go and start making money for yourself. I want you to go to your Chrome browser and type in bfortright.com. bfortright.com. What is bfortright.com? This is also a top wonderful UK international platform you can work for. International platform you can work for just by answering survey questions. You can see exchange surveys for money in the best place to be. Forthright. Want to make your opinions known? You have come to the right place at Forthright. You take surveys, you get rewarded. It's as simple and awesome as that. All you just need to join this platform is to just input your email address and join this platform for free and start answering survey questions. As I always said, if you actually wanted to achieve something great online, patience, consistency, and hard working, then times pay. So, how to get paid to take surveys with Forthright? Follow this step to make money online fast and securely with top paid surveys. Your best side hustle at just one click. Sign up with your email address, take surveys on your phone, tablet, or what laptop. Get paid instantly. So we have the safest and best paid surveys, from consumer surveys to public opinion polls. We protect your opinions and provide a trusted space for you to speak up. Every step of the way, we work with you to make a difference. You can see more about paid survey. Get free gift cards and cash by taking online survey. We don't want to brag, but we pay better than any other survey site around. Not just that, we offer a variety of ways for you to be rewarded. After all, that's what you deserve. You can also discover more about your reward. So this is a top platform you can come and start working for. So just input your email, then you are ready to join this top platform to start making money for yourself. So the number two platform I'll be showing you is called what? American Consumer Opinion. American Consumer Opinion. You can see membership is free, sign up is fast and easy. All you just need to input to register on this opinion site what is to just input your email address, password, and confirm your password. Then you indicate that you are not a robot. Login, that is if you already registered before. Now then the question is now why you need to sign up on American Consumer Opinion. You can see it has over 6 million members worldwide who gets paid to participate in surveys and research projects. You can see membership is free. You will never have to pay any money to be a member. Your participation in our surveys is the only cost of membership. Make money taking surveys. Incentives range in value from 100 to 5,000 points per survey or research project. Depending upon the time it takes, a point equals penny. You can see instead of consuming your time just pressing your phone, just checking Facebook without doing anything, you can come down to this site and start just working for them. By the time you work maybe this job for a month, at least you have a good money to buy something tangible for yourself. So your voice is heard. Most members of American Consumer Opinion enjoy having the opportunity to make their opinions count, to influence the future. It's similar to voting for elected official, but here you are voting on products and services. Just share your opinion on products you have the idea of, and apart from that, you can also share your opinion on different services such as what repair and service, repairing phone, repairing all those services. You can come here to share your opinion regarding it. Then you evaluate new product with your idea. Apart from that, there is also a test new advertising opportunity. This is a top platform. We can see they have paid over $30 million plus. $30 million plus. So they have 20 million plus surveys taken already. They have 7 million plus active members working here on this American Opinion. It's American Consumer Opinion. So that's it, and this is what their member are saying. I cannot believe I won. I am very grateful to have won, especially at this time of year. And with all that is happening in the world, I plan to give him back in some way. KR, California. This person is giving testimony from California. So come to this site and work for them, because the membership is free. Sign up is fast and easy. Just input your email address, password, then you confirm, then you indicate if you are not sure, then you sign up. Then if you have successfully activate your account, you can then come back to log in to your account. You can log into your account, then start seeing your paper account smiling. So that's just it for the kindly hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop some video just like this. Thanks.